बिस्मिल्लाह।
जी जी।
अच्छा जी। Z demo Jan internal tables. Today we'll look at different types of internal tables, how we make them. Internal tables, categories, executable program. Acha ji, now we are going to write this code. Types begin of py mac matner type matner spras type spras mac text type mac text. End of ty mac. Now this is a structure that we have made, a structure. Okay. Acha. What is matner spras and mac text? You will go to table MAKT, change matner, spras, mactex, all are having data elements. And when we write type matner, we are referring this matner to this data element. Okay. Sure. Next is input parameters. Parameters P VBLN type VBLN underscore BF P underscore piece type C as checkbox P underscore box type C as checkbox. Data ITMact. Now ITMact is internal table which will derive features from TYMact. Type table of TYMact and VAMact type TYMact. So we have created data element. First comes the structure. This is the structure. Structure has 3 fields. Then we have data elements, data types, where we have 2 elements, internal table and work area of the same features of MACT. Features are matner, spras, mactex, mactex. Okay. WA mact, which is work area matner, because it is of type TY mact, equals 100 EMAC spras equals E mact mactex equals soluble append VA mapped to IT mapped, because we cannot access internal tables directly. We can only go through the work area, the structure. IT mapped, VA mapped. $200. IT mapped. Append means add. Okay. And we add to the internal table. Let's say 400. We say order. $500. Flammable powder. Okay. अच्छा जी. Read table IT mapped into VA mapped. Why? Because we cannot access IT mapped directly. So we bring and load work area with key Matner equals 600. For single statement, read syntax is used. Also, equal symbol can be used with read syntax. But EQ, which is equals, EQ cannot be used. EQ cannot be used. In other syntax, what is other syntax? EQ and can be used. When assigning a value, use equal sign. When comparing values, use EQ. Read table. Okay. IT mapped. Also, read table IT mapped into VA mapped with key Matner equals 600. Spras equals E. This is also a syntax, but we will keep it as a comment for the next part. Loop at IT mapped into WA mapped where Matner equals 300. For multi-records, use loop statements. Write wmact Matner end loop. Okay. To store data in internal table, we use syntax append. Okay. All good. Control Shift F12, breakpoint, direct processing, PVBLIN, box, execute, structure flat, car like, okay, tables, act, F5, F500 soluble. Now it is running a loop. 200 soluble. 400 border. 500. But 5. Okay. 5. C38. Tables. Understood, clear? Avi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Read table with Matner's Pras. Okay. Acha. Coming to the next part. Okay. Internal tables have index plus keys. Both can be used to identify uh, the fields and records in the internal table. Keys can be unique or non-unique. Non-unique is you can have multiple records. Unique is only one record with that key. There are three types of internal table, standard, sorted, hashed. What are the features? Features can be supports non-unique keys plus key definition is not necessary. Like syntax will be, it will be defined as data IT mapped type standard table of DY mapped, right?
Yes, sir.
DY mapped. अच्छा, so it can be made with index access plus it can be made with either key access. Supports linear indexing. What is linear indexing? It searches row by row for a record. So this is time consuming. Time consuming. ठीक है. So the keys are defined at this point. If it is sorted, key with key Matner, for example, but we are not defining anything with standard table. Okay. अच्छा जी. Like read table IT Mac into WA Mac index 3. At index 3, it will bring up the record. Index 3. Read table IT Mac into WA Mac index 3. Check. Activate. Enter. Processing. Execute. IT Mac table. IT Mac F5, 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 100, index 3. This is index 3. In the table, it has gone for 3. C38, change. Next three. Sure. Coming to a discussion. Standard table. Okay, next is sorted table. What are sorted table? Sorted table, they actually are sorted by keys. They are sorted by keys. And append statement cannot be used in sorted because append adds to the end of the program. Sorting is done with numbering. Sorting is done with ascending order. So anything append conflicts with sorted tables. Okay. Acha. Are we good here? Linear
Yes, sir.
indexing is linear search one by one. In sorted tables, the search is binary. Whole table is divided into two parts. So the part record of that part is retrieved. Record of that part is retrieved by searching the smaller part. Correct? This is about sorted table. We will discuss about the syntax of